Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alana and today's video is going to be another cabin tour. I'm staying at this beautiful Airbnb located in Kentucky. It's just outside of Lexington. It was about a 4-hour drive from Nashville, where I'm from, and it's beautiful. We're in the mountains. It snowed all night last night, so we woke up to snow-covered trees surrounding us. And it's been a great little getaway for December right before Christmas, and I thought I would show you guys around. So right when you walk in from the front door, you have this great living space. They have a Christmas tree set up, which I love. These 2 little chairs, which are great for reading. They have a book right here, so I've just been sitting here enjoying this great advice. Oh no, I'm a mess. And then there's also this really large sectional, which is super comfy. They've got these really cute pillows and this beautiful garland located just above the couch. And then over here to my right, we have a lovely fireplace, which lets off a lot of heat. And then there's also a TV, so we've watched some Netflix while here. And then they also have this great coat rack, which I have my coat hung up on. So they've got this cool spiral staircase, which you have to be really careful on. And welcome to the basement. So this is kind of like its own little suite. It has 2 chairs, a couch, a TV, and a queen-size bed. So this bed is pretty squishy, it's really comfortable. And there's also an ensuite bathroom, but we blew the fuse last night, so we haven't been able to use that bathroom. And then there's also a door that takes you right outside. Okay, so we have another set of stairs guarded by these great bald eagles. America. We have this really cute fruit bowl that Devin loves. And welcome to the kitchen area. So it is basically a full kitchen, it just doesn't have a dishwasher. They have this really cool vintage looking fridge, which I love. A stove, a microwave, and a beautiful sink with a great view. I mean, you can't really complain about having to do dishes when this is your view. And there's also a coffee maker that we don't know how to use, so we haven't been using it. And they have really adorable Christmas decorations all over the house. And if you come right over here, there's this table which latches. Ah! So this handy table is located conveniently right under the stairs, so it can fold up if you don't want it in the way. But then this is where we've been eating our meals and doing some work. It's a great little table to have. And there is another bedroom here with bunk beds. This is Devin's room, and his stuff is everywhere, so I'm not gonna show you this room. And in this closet, there is a full washer and dryer, so you can do laundry while you stay here. And then there's this door that leads out to a little back patio. We won't be using it while we're here because it is snowing. And then right to the right is the bathroom. Super modern and cute, and I really love the stonework on this side of the wall. We are like right against a mountain, so this kind of reminds me of stones from the mountain. And then over here, right behind me, before we head upstairs, there's this little nook with a desk area, a really cool light bulb, and there's some books up here, and if you're feeling feisty, a hat. All right, follow me upstairs to the master. And here we are in the master bedroom. It has a great king-size bed. So you have a full-length mirror over here, some nice greenery. There is a TV up here, which is great. And they also have a little tray for the bed. And a nice bedside table with a lamp. And again, a beautiful view of the mountain behind us. Check out those stones. So right out the front door, you have a giant hot tub. We will be enjoying it tonight. I'm really looking forward to it. And it's just so cold outside, so I'm just gonna close this door. So this cabin is an actual A-frame. If you guys can tell, it is a giant A shape. So the windows are beautiful looking this way. You can see all the snow-covered trees, and I just have an affinity for A-frames. I love them. I think it's so pretty. I love how they painted the walls white so it stays bright and airy, but the ceiling, like the A-frame part, is still wood, so it makes it feel like you're in a cabin. And I just love what they've done with this place. It's updated, it's really nice, and I would definitely recommend staying here. So if you're interested in a little cabin getaway this winter, check the link below and be sure to use my Airbnb code when you sign up to get up to $65 off your trip. So if you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more cabin tour videos coming soon, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite part of this cabin was. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!